Now let's try to hover.
Quad plane hover flight mode.
I now we open Maplink 3D map from GitHub from this URL. I already downloaded it here. Here it is. If you are new and you don't have this code, then you can do the following. Go and copy this URL and let's go to another file. Okay, hit clone. Now let's run the Ardupilot. I already have a copy of Ardupilot. Here it is a command. You need to specify that it is Ardupilot and you need this port exactly. I use another port because I want to run ground control in parallel with the simulator. So I use this default port and I use this port that is communicating with the simulator. Okay, we just started. Now let's start the ground control.
Manual flight mode.
And now let's go to the simulator itself. Now let's open the website, the simulator. The most important thing is that you need to specify it is VTOL. Here it is. It is floating like that because the altitude here is keep rising and falling. That's why it is rising and falling like that. If you don't specify it is a VTOL, then it will activate a normal plane. But you need to specify it is a VTOL. You can change this view. We can go here. Let's see. Static. We have different views. This is a very nice view. This is a very nice view. As you can see, we have 4 views. There is a help here that tell us what we can do. We can switch. This is a view that follows the plane. This is a view of this camera. I can select here and press WSAD control the camera. But I need to select here while doing that because here is the active camera. Okay, now I need to select. I can move the camera here and I still can select R for reset. And this is a global view. Now let's check if the VTOL is working. I configured the VTOL, so I configured the Ardupilot as VTOL, so it should work. Now let's go to Q hover.
Quad plane hover flight mode.
See the motors or the propellers.
Manual flight mode.
See. Okay, let's take off.
Take off flight mode. Armed. Guided flight mode.
You can change the view to the real map. There it is. As you can see, this is the real map. Now let's try to hover.
Quad plane hover flight mode.
Thank you.